Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's sign. This is weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Capricorn, it's sign. What are the messages for you? What are the messages for Capricorn? It's sign. Seven of Cups. Three of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles. What are the messages for Capricorn? It's sign. Wow, very positive and beautiful reading, Capricorn. And you are in this energy, you will be in this energy in near future. For some, you are already in this energy. You are manifesting what you are wishing for. You are in this energy, you are manifesting love, career, finances, whatever. And the star, definitely some positive shifts are coming in your life. And the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius also. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Seven of Cups, Three of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles. I think you have a lot of options regarding your career. Maybe in relationship also you have options, Capricorn. Seven of Cups and Three of Pentacles with Queen of Pentacles. You more concentrated on your career, abundance and financial stability, because Three of Pentacles investing money in different businesses in different ways to make more money. So Three of Pentacles with Queen of Pentacles. Maybe you are collaborated with other businesses, with other persons. And you have options in relationship also. And you want partnership and you want perfect relationship with your person. And that was past. And present, Nine of Cups, Wheel of Fortune and the Lovers. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini also. So your wishes are going to be granted because Nine of Cups. And again under the deck, the Magician. Definitely you will manifest what you are wishing. And Wheel of Fortune, definitely things are turning into your favor. Maybe you are not seeing right now, but it will, because you are manifesting some positive things into your life. And the Lovers, there is love between both of you. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. Then future, Knight of Swords, Ace of Wands and Ace of Cups. So they want to offer their cup of love to you, and their love towards you is overflowing. I am not seeing any separation, no contact situation, because you both are in good relationship right now. And yeah, someone is rushing to talk with you. Communication is coming. And Ace of Wands, this relationship has a lot of passion between both of you. You both are attracted to each other. And you are very passionate about your life and you are very passionate about your work. Ace of Wands. Some new businesses, new things are starting, new things are coming into your life, Capricorn. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, at water sign, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, earth sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini, air sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but very less fire energy is here, but lot of water energy and earth energy is here. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, the Fool. Maybe they want to take leap of faith. Wow, Eight of Pentacles. Your person feelings towards you, Capricorn. Five of Wands, Two of Pentacles and Seven of Cups. Maybe they are in some confusion. There are a lot of confusion in your person mind. They are juggling Two of Pentacles. There is a lot of drama going between you and your person. For some, there are small issues, but they want to work on this relationship, 8 of Pentacles, but it is slow moving, but they really want to work on this relationship, but maybe your person have options, 7 of Cups with 2 of Pentacles. Maybe they want to take some decision regarding this relationship, and 5 of Wands, there is some drama going in this relationship. So let's see their actions towards you, Capricorn. Yeah, Emperor under the deck, 6 of Cups. They're thinking about you a lot, and the world, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states, and for some the same cycles repeating between you and your person again and again. Justice with Temperance. Yeah, they really want justice in the, means very few who are in separation. Those who are in separation, not all, because I am not seeing a, you both are in contact. Maybe this is on and off connection, but for some, those who are in relationship, they want to take this relationship to next level, but it will take time again because the Temperance is here. Patience is the key. For those very few who are in a separation, they want second chances with you, but again they are taking their time because Temperance. They want to restore the balance in this connection. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Eight of Cups. Seven of Wands. Maybe very few. And under the deck, Princess of Swords, there is a lot of spying and wandering is going. Maybe for some who are in separation, because 8 of Cups is here, definitely maybe your person is walked away. Now they have regrets. So they are coming back to fight for this connection. That's why they want second chances here, justice. But they are taking the time. Maybe they are waiting for the right time to approach you. So 7 of Wands, they can't let you go and they will fight for your attention. Now they are feeling regrets because they walked away from you in past. Now they are spying on you, watching you. They are wondering about you a lot, Capricorn. One person is obsessed with the other person, and the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn or Cancer. So, yeah, they're coming back, but very slow moving energy. Communication with clarity is coming, and the Chariot. So, you started moving forward, Capricorn, with or without this person. You focused on your abundance, and the Devil, they are obsessed with you. Maybe for some, this person may be toxic for you because this is dark energy. They may be obsessed with you. A lot of obsession is here, and Truth coming out. They want new beginnings. They're coming back and they want second chances, Capricorn. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Again, Knights are always in slow moving energy. Knight of Cups. One person in this connection is stand by their power, and another person in this connection is spying on their person. Yeah, this could be long distance. You're thinking about them a lot. There is communication, apologies coming, and new beginning. Yeah, they really want to offer this cup of love to you. They want brand new beginning with you, Capricorn. And it's your reading and it's your card. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. The Magician, King of Wands, 10 of Swords, Princess of Wands. Yeah, message, one person is younger than the other person in this connection could be, they still want rebirth in this connection. And King of Wands, your person is also very powerful and grounded. And Magician, for some your person may be a player because the Devil with a Magician, manipulator type of energy, but they want to manifest you back. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Capricorn. I always thinking about you. Second chance, I already told you, they are coming back for second chances. This person is sneaky, yeah, because the devil is here for some. Finances and career, you are focused on your career and finances. And I'm crazy about you. Yeah, there is a lot of passion between both of you. And true love for some. So the messages are finances and career. They are always thinking about you and they are very crazy about you. Maybe this person is sneaky for you and second chances. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Capricorn. A time to give rather than take, especially new moon in Virgo. So one person in this connection is always taking, not giving in return. So this is the message, a time to give rather than take. If it is you, so it is the time to give. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.